Hello class, the last time I taught you how to translate any of your videos into different languages. So if you speak English, you can translate it to Spanish, Hindi, French, whatever. But this time around, I will teach you how to actually be a polyglot. That is, speak different languages in your video with just one click. I'm awesome. Be honest, say it in the comment section. That just is awesome. But anyways, this video is almost like the previous video, but this time around, the app would actually use your own voice to create the translation. And not only that, your lips would sync with what the translation is saying, so it would look like you are the one actually saying it. And this video is for you because your resident tutor, which is me, will be teaching you how to use this incredible AI tool to dub your videos into different languages. هذا الفيديو لك من معلمك. أنا سأعلمك كيفية استخدام هذه الأداة الذكية لترجمة مقاطع الفيديو الخاصة بك إلى لغات مختلفة. And the app we're going to be using for this is called Heygen. The link is going to be in the description box. I've used this app previously in my AI animation series where I was teaching you how to make animation videos using AI. But now this app is going to be translating your video into different languages, and it can translate up to 40 different languages using your own voice and also lip syncing the translation. So to start, click on the link in the description box. It will lead to the Heygen website. Click on Get Started and then sign in using your Gmail account. Now you can choose to watch this introductory video or just simply click on Get Started. In Homes, scroll to the right. You would see video translation. Click on it. You can watch this short clip, then click on translate video. These tips are also really important. It says try to avoid videos with multiple people, try to avoid background music and noise, and it also shows you the right resolution for your video. So make sure you read the tips. Now, if you want to translate a video from online, you can click on upload via URL and you'll be able to upload a link from YouTube, TikTok, or any social media platform. But I want to upload my own personal video, so I'm just going to simply click here and upload it from my file. Now click on create new translation and translate directly. In original language, choose the language currently used in the video. I used English, so I selected English. In output language, choose the language you want the video to be translated into. There is Chinese, French, Dutch, Danish. Just choose whichever one you prefer. After you've selected the language, submit for translation. Now the video is on the queue along with more than 12,000 other videos waiting to be translated. And I would explain why. Now, if you're wondering if this app is free, well, like all apps or most apps, there is always a free version where you can try it out to see if you like it, and if you like it, you can pay for it, and they have different payments plan. Now, in the free version, I would warn you, there is a waiting list. So if you make a video, usually you have to wait in line. When I did it with the free version, I got my results the next day. So I uploaded the video, translated it, and I had to wait in line, and then the next day they sent me an email to tell me that the video has been processed and has been translated. So if you want to try it out, you can use the free version, but I'll strongly advise you to pay for the app. And the app has so many other features that are really important, especially for content creators and even students. Now, AI is so scary because in my next video, I'm going to be teaching you how people swap people's faces in a picture. Like you can swap your face into another person's picture and it will look like it was you in that place. And I'm also going to teach you how to make your voice sound like a celebrity's own. So you're going to be sounding like Taylor Swift, like Beyonce. It's scary at the same time. It's exciting. So if you're interested in this type of content, make sure you subscribe and like. And I have other videos like this about AI and simple ways to get exciting results as a content creator. Like you don't have to go through the hard routes. Like there are simple ways to get the same results that these big content creators are getting. So if you're interested, click on this playlist here, and don't forget that I have a second channel where I post all the shenanigans I've been up to as a foreigner in the Kingdom of the Netherlands. So go subscribe to that channel. It's called Face Shokbe, and I have great plans for that channel. So till I come your way next time, I remain your one and only Jessica Okolie. Bye.